March 2021 air cargo results a truly mixed bunch. The cautious recovery of early 2021 was halted in the first half of March for USA Atlantic South, USA Midwest, Taiwan, Thailand, Belgium and Kenya. March 2021 was the best month since 2018. Freighter capacity in March increased 7% points less than cargo capacity on passenger aircraft. Air cargo's final March figures show year-on-year worldwide growth of 21%. To make any sense of this percentage, the detailed results for March 2020, the most two-faced month in air cargo living memory, need to be revisited. YoY change in the period March 1-15, 2021, stood at 0.2%, but the YoY growth in the second half of the month was plus 44%, a clear reminder that the first lockdown started to bite air cargo by mid-March 2020. As the cautious recovery of early 2021 plus 1.1% YoY for the first 2 months was halted in the first half of March minus 0.2% YoY, the question arises whether the second half reversed the trend again. Industry experts looked at volume developments for the 30 largest markets first. For 6 of THEMB origins, USA Atlantic South, USA Midwest, Taiwan, Thailand, Belgium and Kenya, March 2021 was simply the best month since January 2018. The same was true for the destination markets China East, South Korea, Japan, Belgium, the Netherlands and USA Midwest. Other top origins, notably China Northeast and Central, France, UK, India and Australia, have not yet recovered. Their month of March remained more than 20% below their best month over the past 3 years. This is also the case for the destinations Australia, Canada East, China Northeast, Spain, South Africa and USA Northeast. Worldwide, March 2021 was only marginally lower than the same month in 2018 and 2019. This is the more remarkable when taking into account the enormous reduction in cargo capacity. YoY load factor improvements in each of the 3 first months of 2021 ranged between 15 and 20% points. Airlines are clearly able to use their cargo space much more efficiently than in the past. For the full first quarter of 2021 Q1, chargeable weight worldwide was 7.7% above Q1 2020, but still 2% below Q1 2019. The categories VULNERABLE and high-tech, flowers and live animals, however, did better than in Q1 2019, the first mentioned by an impressive 22%. Compared with Q1 2019, the 10 largest forwarders gained considerable market share in AFRICA plus 2.4% points, and CENTRAL and South AMERICA plus 3.3% points, but lost share in the Northern Hemisphere, ranging from a loss of 0.4% points in the Middle East and South ASIA MESA to a loss of 2.7% points in Europe. Until the financial crisis of more than 10 years ago, a country's air cargo growth was often double the growth of the country's economy. This 2-1 ratio moved downwards since. Yet, it may be back to the old level in China. According to The Economist, China's economy grew by 18.3% YoY in Q1. In the same period, its outbound air cargo increased by 39%, and its inbound by an even higher 41%. To no one's surprise, China leads the Q1 air cargo growth tables by a large margin. The whole Asia-Pacific area increased by 19% YoY outbound, followed by the AMERICAS plus 10% YoY in the north plus 6% YoY in CENTRAL and south. Europe and Africa remained the same, whilst the origin MESA dropped by 10% YoY. Since the start of the pandemic, the most drastically changed figures are those on rate developments. The Q1 YoY rate increase of 64% puts the much smaller volume gains in a rather different light. Not only do the rate increases highlight the capacity shortage and the short-term financial influence of the pandemic, they may cause further changes in cargo capacity made available by passenger airlines. After all, with rates on full freighter flights up by 32% YoY,